Welcome to my channel. Learn to speak English. Listen and practice.
A moonlit night. A moonlit night, in which the full moon shines in its entire glory in the sky, is called a moonlit night. In the autumn the sky remains cloudless, and the moon looks like a big silver disk in the sky. The moon's rays, reflecting on seas, rivers, ponds, and hills, create a music spell. The smooth rays of the moon please our eyes and minds. The natural beauty of a moonlit night can better be realized than described. People feel great joy. Children play and run about. Men and women go from one house to another. Women sit in the yard and gossip. Lower animals take the moonlit for a day and start roaming about. The moonlit night reminds us of the mystery of the creation of Allah. We can evaluate the moonlit night as offering a charming sight to all living beings. A moonlit night paragraph. A moonlit night is a breathtaking sight to behold. The serene and mystical beauty of the moon, shining in the clear night sky, creates an atmosphere of calm and tranquility. As you gaze up at the moon, you can see its bright, silver light illuminating the landscape around you. Shadows are cast by trees and buildings, and everything takes on a magical quality. The moon itself appears to be suspended in the sky, surrounded by twinkling stars that seem to dance and shimmer with joy. It's as if the whole universe has come alive, and you are privileged to be a witness to its beauty. On a moonlit night, the world seems to slow down, and everything becomes still and peaceful. The air is cool and fresh, and the only sounds you can hear are the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind, and the occasional hoot of an owl, or the chirping of crickets. It's a moment of pure magic, where you can forget about your worries, and simply bask in the beauty of the world around you. A moonlit night is a reminder that there is still wonder and enchantment to be found in the world if we only take the time to stop and appreciate it. A moonlit night can also evoke a sense of nostalgia and introspection. The soft glow of the moon and the peaceful surroundings can bring back memories of past experiences, loved ones, and moments that have left an indelible mark on our lives. The moon has been a symbol of mystery, magic, and romance throughout human history. It has been the subject of countless poems, songs, and stories, and has been revered as a symbol of feminine energy and creativity. In many cultures, moonlit nights are considered sacred and are celebrated with rituals and ceremonies. They are believed to be a time of heightened spiritual energy, when the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thin, and it's easier to connect with the divine. The beauty of a moonlit night can also inspire creativity and artistic expression. Writers, painters, musicians, and other artists have been inspired by the moon's ethereal beauty, and have created some of their most memorable works under its spell. A moonlit night is a special and magical moment that has the power to move us, to inspire us, and to connect us with the beauty and mystery of the world around us. It's a moment to be savored and appreciated, and to be remembered long after the night has passed. A moonlit night can also have a powerful effect on our emotions and mental state. The soft, serene light can soothe and calm the mind, helping us to let go of stress and anxiety. It can also bring a sense of clarity and perspective, allowing us to see our problems and challenges in a new light. The moon's gentle glow can remind us that there is always hope, even in the darkest of times. A moonlit night can provide an opportunity for introspection and self-reflection. As we gaze up at the moon and contemplate its beauty, we may find ourselves contemplating our own place in the world and our own journey through life. We may be inspired to set new goals or make changes in our lives, guided by the wisdom and intuition that seem to flow more easily under the moon's spell. A moonlit night is a gift from the universe, a moment of beauty and wonders that we should cherish and appreciate. Whether we are seeking peace and tranquility, inspiration and creativity, or simply a moment of awe and wonder, the moon is there to guide us on our journey. A moonlit night can also have a profound effect on our physical health. Studies have shown that exposure to natural light, such as moonlight, can help regulate our circadian rhythms and improve our sleep quality. In fact, many people report feeling more rested and refreshed after sleeping under the moonlight. This may be because moonlight is less intense than artificial light and does not interfere with the body's natural production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Moonlight has also been shown to have a positive impact on mood and overall well-being. Exposure to natural light has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety and increased feelings of happiness and contentment. Finally, a moonlit night can also be an opportunity for connection and community. In many cultures, moonlit nights are celebrated with gatherings and festivities where people come together to share food, stories, and music under the moon's glow. These gatherings can foster a sense of belonging and togetherness, helping us to connect with others and build meaningful relationships. In conclusion, a moonlit night is much more than just a beautiful sight to behold. It has the power to affect our emotions, physical health, and overall sense of well-being, as well as inspire us to connect with others and with the natural world around us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.